Hey, Ben Kaiser here, and welcome back to another episode of jobsinthefuture.com. And today we're talking about Edureka and why you should use Edureka to become trained and build your skills within the data science industry. I got 4 reasons coming up right now. So if you're just tuning into this channel for the first time, you're in a great place for the data science industry. I'm on a journey of learning about the data science industry, building my skills, and figuring out the best ways and the best gear in order to do that well. Now, if you're curious about more videos, or maybe the laptops, the different gear you need, or the best places, or maybe even you don't even know the jargon that is involved in the data science industry, you can check out some of those videos in the YouTube cards above or in the description below. But for now, let's jump into the top 4 reasons why you should use Edureka to develop your skills. Number 1 is the vast resources that Edureka has. So you can learn Hadoop, you can learn R, you can learn Python and Tableau and all these different softwares and coding languages, and you can learn them all in one place. The reason I find that very important is you're not going to get construed information and you're not going to get weird overlaps that don't make sense because you're learning them all in one place. When you have a vast amount of resources in one portal, you're going to be far better off and learn at a higher rate and be able to jump in the industry faster than if you're trying to piece together your own puzzle of your data education. If you go to Edureka, they're going to have everything right there for you. And they even have full master's courses on learning different aspects of the data science industry. If you're curious about Edureka, you can check it out in the description below. That is an affiliate link and it will help out this channel. I'm very appreciative of that. Number 2 is their experience and knowledge base. Edureka comes out of India, and India is one of the leading countries in data analytics and the data science industry in general. So they have a massive amount of experience in this industry, and the people who will be training you usually have at least 7 to 10 years experience within the data industry, so they will be able to answer any of your questions that you have as you're working through the courses. So knowledge and experience is huge when wanting to learn from the best. Edureka has some of the best in the world that will teach you about the data science industry. Number 3 is credibility. When it comes to online courses, there's not always a great certification or organization to make sure that they're legitimate. But Edureka has great credibility because they've been used by companies like Coca-Cola, Dell, Visa. They've even been used by Walmart. So what happens is they'll send their employees to Edureka. Edureka will train them online, and then they will come back and work for the company as data analysts. And that is the reason they're so credible, is these big companies have been using them to train their employees. Also, they've been reviewed by the Economic Times as well as Financial Express. But I think one of the biggest credibilities is the reports from the students who have taken these courses. Right now, I'm taking a course about Tableau, and for me, not having a huge knowledge base in the data science industry before starting to do my research and stuff, they're willing to get you down to the basics and build up your knowledge along the way. So in this Tableau course, he says, hey, does anybody have any experience in Excel? And some people said, no, I don't. And other people said, yes, I do. I mean, for myself, I do know a bit about Excel, but I'm learning more and more through this course on Tableau. And so that's the thing, is they're going to help you along. They're not going to leave you hanging. And that's the greatest thing about these courses I have found, is that the user experience is absolutely incredible, and that is what leads into their credibility. And number 4, and this is the most important one to me, and that is live instruction. So as you're going through the course and you have a question, your instructor's right there. You don't have to struggle, you don't have to email some help desk. Just type in your question in the dialog box and he immediately is there to answer your question. So there's not this struggle between, okay, I don't know, wait, the course is still going, and most courses online these days aren't live. They just record them, you take them, and if you have questions, maybe you can reach out in an email. But the thing with Edureka is they're right there, ready to help you. And that is probably the most important thing to me, is the ability to reach out to my instructor right in front of me. Now, the bonus tip is, okay, say you go through the course and you've got everything figured out, but then you're practicing on the side and you get stuck. Well, they have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer support, and they are usually able to respond within minutes to your question. So when you're not live, go to the customer support and they help you out tremendously. And that is such an opportunity and a benefit to you when you're live, but then you also have really quick customer support. So those are my top 4 reasons why you should use Edureka if you're looking to build your skills within the data industry. I'm Ben Kaiser, and this has been a video of jobsinthefuture.com. Now, if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel. We have more videos coming out, and you don't want to miss out on any of those videos. If you have any questions, comment below, and if this video has helped you, hit the like button. We always appreciate that. I'll see you in the next episode of JobsInTheFuture.com.